guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be playing some Scrap Mechanic and working on some things since I just realized I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I'll work on the house a bit. Right now I'm letting up some woodcraft. Also I did a tiny bit of work just like a couple minutes ago since, well, I didn't get on that long ago. I'm right now growing some carrots so we can, well, have something to eat instead of dying like every single time. Let me in. There we go. If you guys didn't check out last episode, I'll just give you a brief on what happened if I remember correctly, because I have that memory. Here's basically what happened. I believe we finally got over to the trader area where we were going to set up base. And then at the end of the episode, I think I was collecting trees before I died, maybe? I don't remember, but I knew I was collecting trees. Nice. And we're also, as you can see, the platform over here, this is part of our house. It will become a floating house maybe if I make it, but either way. I just did, whoop, wrong thing. There we go. See how big we can make it. And that's it. We're already out. Wow. Luckily I have more trees around here. Like, there's still trees over there that are still there. Unless we have all these trees. Yeah. Also, can we knock down this windmill? I forget. Looks like a no. Well, that's good because I actually like the windmill. Oh, that's right. How am I supposed to get milk? Dang it. Wait, I need corn. Oh, okay, yeah, I just realized something, guys. Well, at least these will grow while we're gone. But, yeah, there won't be a raid, at least. Okay. Apparently that only works whenever there's crops. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. That's where the bearings went. Okay, let's double check my spawn point. Good. Remove the lift. Now we're going to drop off some things from this vehicle. That'll hopefully then just make. Oh, okay. Yep. Putting this down a bit. We're just going to keep our camp here. Oh wait, nope. That we're keeping. We're actually just going to. Oh, what did I do? Huh. That's what I did. Okay, hold on. I'll deal with this. Why did I do that? That was stupid of me. Let's see how I did this again. See, it was like this. Okay, I know how I did it now. And I'm starving. Great. Hopefully this doesn't mess up the vehicle. There we go. Get my connection. Is the engine still on? Well, it probably is. There we go. Yep. It was in reverse. Okay. Now, I'm going to figure out where I left my connection tool. Is it in my wait, yeah, it is in my inventory. There it is. Also, we better place down this bed again, just in case if I die. There you go. Now, let's just, whole vehicle got disconnected. Oh, that's gonna be a pain. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to reconnect this. Well, let's see. Purple doesn't matter. Lights don't matter. Oh, okay. Those two are fine. It's just the power wheels got unpowered. I think that's supposed to be like that. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Sorry guys, I haven't used. Okay, now that that's done, let's check. So if we put our fuel up a bit, okay, it goes like that, still turns. Hey, it still works! Yay! Now you can drop off this metal thing on the front. There we go. This is the only metal I have. Fortunately, that's left. There we go. Oh, wood. That's right. Also, probably should have said this in the beginning of the video. If you guys want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And if you enjoy this, please leave a like. Thank you. No, I'm gonna keep like 3 lights on here. Shit. Ah. Okay. That's going to be a harder situation than my last one. Wait, no, that's not centered. But that people didn't know. Hold on. There we go, and then there we go. There we go. Now we probably just turn that on a bit, and okay, no driving it out. Okay, guess we're just doing that. There we are. Oh, jeez. Dehydrated. Makes sense. Ooh, the carrot's growing yet? No, but they're getting close. Sorry guys, I got a notification on the side of my screen. There we go. Okay, well, we'll just wait for these to grow a bit as well. And we'll let's die one last time, and then yeah. Oh, I can't even sprint. Oh, that's going to be annoying. Okay, here. There we go. Now we have a respawn point. Before I had to respawn at the mechanic station. Oh wait, hold on, I just realized my stuff is going to fall again. There we have a bag down there. Might as well just let it happen. Oh, look at these. They're so cool. Almost done growing as well. There it is. My bag's under it there. Okay. I'm sorry. Nothing's ready to be picked, okay? I'll put the bed back on the vehicle as soon as I can. I just need to first. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I have an idea on where to put the bed. On this vehicle, it may sound, I don't know if it's a good idea or a bad idea. But, what if we put it on the bottom? Like, I don't know. Like, on the bottom, but. Like, saying if I flip it, there we go. There we go. And now, we'll do it. There we go. Okay. Yep, that should do for now. Already! Yay! I have carrots! Okay, I need to start planting right away. Okay, let me go quickly get my bucket. I still have the buckets on me. Okay, yep. Never mind. Okay, let's hurry, and I have the fertilizer on me still, right? Yep, bingo! There's a trick I found out how to do. It works sometimes. Where, like, you can get two at once. For the ones that have already started. There we go. Okay, gotta get more water. There we go. There we go. Now we gotta use the rest of the fertilizer on these ones. There we go. We have one left. Oh, jeez. Can I craft fertilizer? Hold on, I gotta figure that out. Yeah, I can. It takes these packets. Takes carrots. Okay, I don't have beets or tomato. Did I leave tomatoes behind, or do I just not have tomatoes? That's interesting. 'Cause I think the starting thing was tomato seeds. I don't know. Well, either way, guys, I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh wait, hold on. How did I not know I had 2 extra buckets? Okay, well, besides that point. Anyway, guys, today I'm going to end this video here. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your friends, because I have a goal of getting to at least 10 subscribers. I was at 10, went down to 9 because my friend didn't subscribe, but whatever. Or someone else unsubscribed, I don't know. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Toodaloo! Oh, also, by the way, I don't know.